Meaning of domesticate.
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 Domesticate. The term domesticate refers to the process of taming and adapting wild animals or plants for human use and benefit. Through selective breeding and training, domesticated animals and plants have become dependent on humans for survival and have been transformed into valuable resources for food, labor, and other uses. The result of domestication is an increased level of control over these organisms, which allows humans to manipulate their genetic makeup and behavior to suit their needs. This has played a crucial role in the development of human civilization and continues to shape our world today.